Welcome to Indian Travel and Musings. Join us as we take you around India, one place at a time. Come along and enjoy the ride.
Away in northwestern India is Jaipur, where the pink walls echo with tales of kings, and desert winds gently ruffle your hair. Lakes, palaces and forts, you name it. Jaipur has it. It's home to the Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds. 953 windows, each a silent witness to royal eyes watching the world go by. In Jaipur, colour isn't just decoration. It's identity. It dances in the streets, in turbans, in twirls and spice-scented air. From puppet shows to camel bells, the music of the desert wraps around you, like a royal robe stitched with tradition. And then there are the forts. They are not just stone walls, but warriors in stone standing tall. Mirror halls where whispers shine, courtyards kissed by peacocks. Here, history doesn't sleep. It sings. Jaipur isn't just seen. It's danced with, tasted dot, flown over in morning mist, and felt deep like a memory. Come for the forts. Stay for the soul. Jaipur isn't a city. It's a royal memory waiting to happen.
For more stories and travelogues from India, do visit and subscribe to our blog and channel. The link is in the description.